Well, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another review. This time we are reviewing a beauty product. Excuse my voice, it's early in the morning. As you saw from the title of the video, we are going down memory line, reviewing again after almost like 2 years of not using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. We are back with it and I wanted to try it again on camera. For 2 years I've been using the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. As you can see, the bottle is empty, so I wanted to repurchase it the other day, but I thought that okay, maybe I want to change it up a bit, and I am changing it up with something I have used for quite some time. It claims that it's a medium to full coverage, which is true, and my shade is Vanilla. This was actually the last one at Sephora. We're gonna apply it with my Real Techniques sponge. Share in the comments if you have used the Born This Way foundation or you're still using it. The Estee Lauder and the Too Faced, they're a glass bottle, so it's kind of, you need to be careful, because once I actually broke this one, the Born This Way, I broke the bottle, so it was not the best feeling. Okay, let's do 2 pumps. Okay, not sure about the shade. See, it's a bit dark. Okay. Okay, should I come like this? The fragrance, it smells nice, not that perfumey. It's more like coconut, slightly coconut, yeah, rose water, which is nice, but not that bad. It is a bit dark for me right now. But that's the case. So basically we have 3 pumps right here. There is slightly different, it's not that bad, but still it's not the perfect shade. So you can see the texture. It's not sticky, it's slightly sticky, but nothing bad. So you can see the texture. It's not sticky, it's slightly sticky, but nothing bad. I'm used to the coverage and the finish of the Estee Lauder, and that's why I've been using it for almost like over 2 years now, the Double Wear. I'm really happy. This is my #1 foundation. But again, like I told you, I wanted to switch up a little bit with this one, the Born This Way. I like it, but I like my dog. I like the Too Faced, but I like the Estee Lauder Double Wear more, to be honest, to be 100% honest with you. But this one, it's not bad at all if you are, as you can see, It looks really nice as well. You can try it out for yourself. Maybe also with the foundations, it's super personal and it depends on your skin type, the finish you're looking for. I'll go now and apply quickly some cream bronzer, blush, and also to my eyebrows. I'll be right back. Hi guys! Quick update after around 3 hours with the foundation on. So I was busy for a couple of hours. I went and did a quick corona test for tomorrow, and I will show you. Also, I can insert a couple of pictures of me wearing the foundation outside. I can insert some pictures which I took with my iPhone. But yeah, let me zoom you and show you how my skin looks like. My forehead. Like I mentioned before, I see that it gave me a little bit of powder look, which I'm not the biggest fan of. But yeah, this is an update after 3 hours after applying it, and I will check in later with you. Bye! Hi guys! Last check-in with you before I remove my makeup. Here is the foundation. Okay, disclosure, I have dry skin, dry normal skin. Here I get normally oily around the nose. And I have not powdered today, so this is my skin just with the foundation, without concealer, just foundation and some bronzer and blush on the cheeks. And I already inserted some pictures from today, how it looks like in daylight in a room. And this is the foundation after 10 hours of wearing it. I was outside for some time and it's really cold, -2-3 degrees Celsius. So I am feeling extra dry right now, especially here and here. And I can see how the texture of the skin is not pretty at all and it does not look good, and it cracked a little bit here and here. Not sure if you can see here. I like the foundation, but not as much as my Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, just because it gives me a little bit of the powdery look and emphasizes my pores here on the cheeks. That's my complaint about the foundation. Maybe I could try to moisturize more, apply some primer underneath, and maybe the wear test will be better. But now just with moisturizer, after 10 hours, I'm not the happiest. If I need to rate it from 1 to 10, I'll give it like 6. And for my double wear, I'll give 8 to 10. That is my review. Let me know in the comments if you have tried it, if you like it, if you're not liking it. Let me know in the comments. Follow me also on Instagram, it's Mariya Marinova, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!